Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Harmony price prediction and Harmony news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Harmony in 2022. Harmony is a blockchain platform designed to facilitate the creation and use of decentralized applications, dApps. The network aims to take an innovative approach to running decentralized applications and focuses on random state sharding, which allows new blocks to be created in seconds. Stephen C. is the founder and CEO of Harmony. He holds a PhD from the University of Pennsylvania in cryptographic protocols and type theory. Upon graduation, C. became a research intern at Microsoft. In 2006, he began working as a senior engineer at Google and has been with the company for 4 years. In 2011, he founded Spotsitter, a successful search engine that was later acquired by Apple. In 2014, C became Apple's chief engineer. He founded Harmony in 2017. The founding team of Harmony is made up of 12 people, 7 of whom are ex-Google, Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon employees. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Harmony. Top 10 stock picks of David Iban's Copernic Global Investors. In this article, we discuss the top 10 stock picks of David Iban's Copernic Global Investors. If you want to skip our detailed analysis of Iban's history, investment philosophy, and hedge fund performance, go directly to top 5 stock picks of David Iban's Copernic Global Investors. David Iban is the founder and chief investment officer at Copernic Global Investors. The Florida-based hedge fund is named after Mikuláš Kopernik, better known as Nicholas Copernicus, the Renaissance-era scientist and philosopher who discovered that the Earth was not indeed the center of the universe, much to the retaliation and scorn of his contemporaries. Copernic Global Investors now seeks to emulate the same visionary traits of its namesake scientist, and create investors who can rely on their instincts and analyses to beat the market. Prior to founding Copernic Global in 2013, Iban was a director and head of the global value team at Vinnick Asset Management. Before that, David Iban was the lead portfolio manager, co-founder, and chief investment officer at Tradewinds Global Investors, LLC, which managed $38 billion as of February 2012. Iban's career started at Farmers Group Incorporated, where he worked for 14 years, starting from securities analyst to eventually becoming lead portfolio manager and director of research, managing $16 billion in assets in 1996, when he moved on to Cramlett & Carney as a senior portfolio manager. David Iban has a bachelor's degree from the University of California and an MBA from the University of Southern California Marshall School of Business. He has also earned a CFA designation. As of the end of the third quarter, Copernic Global Investors manages approximately $946 million in assets, which is an increase of 1% over the previous quarter. The hedge fund invests primarily in global corporate equity and acts through a fundamentals-based, value-oriented process that is driven by extensive research. Copernic Global seeks to identify stocks that are trading below their intrinsic value and has majority holdings in the basic materials segment, betting on increasing commodities prices heading into 2022. Some of the most notable stocks in David Iban's portfolio include Sprott Incorporated, New York Stock Exchange SAI, Royal Gold Incorporated, Nasdaq RGLD, and KT Corporation, New York Stock Exchange KT, among others discussed in detail below. Copernic Global Investors Stake Value: $22. 86 million percentage of Copernic Global Investors 13F portfolio. 2.56% number of hedge fund holders. 5 Harmony Gold Mining Company Limited, New York Stock Exchange HMY, is up next on the list of top stocks to buy, according to David Iban's Copernic Global Investors. The South African company deals in the exploration and mining of gold and other minerals around the world. According to regulatory filings for the third quarter, Copernic Global Investors owns 7.2 million shares in Harmony Gold Mining Company Limited, New York Stock Exchange HMY, up 137% from the previous quarter, where the fund held roughly 3 million shares in the company. Shares of Harmony Gold Mining Company Limited, New York Stock Exchange HMY, have slumped 12.68% in the last 12 months, amid a decline in gold prices in 2021. Still, Harmony Gold Mining Company Limited, New York Stock Exchange HMY, reported a 32% increase in gold production in the third quarter, and a 23% decrease in its net debt. Hedge fund sentiment was negative on Harmony Gold Mining Company Limited, New York Stock Exchange HMY, in the third quarter, where 5 hedge funds held stakes in the company, as compared to 11 hedge funds a quarter ago. Cliff Asness's Aker Capital Management is the leading shareholder of Harmony Gold Mining Company Limited, New York Stock Exchange HMY, stock, with 18.27 million shares valued at $57.57 million. The next crypto news: EU plans €500 million weapons aid package for Ukraine to help repel Russian invasion. Leaders of the European Union, EU, will be deciding on a lethal weapons package to assist Ukraine's defense against an ongoing Russian invasion. EU Foreign Policy Chief Joseph Borrell announced the European Council is in support of a decision to offer Ukraine lethal assistance on Sunday night during an informal video conference of foreign affairs ministers. We want to do everything to support Ukraine. We have decided to use our capacities to provide arms, lethal assistance to the Ukrainian army, Borrell said, adding that €450 million, around $500 million, of the support package to be discussed includes fighters, arms and fighter jets. The EU's move to support lethal assistance to Ukraine closely follows Germany's historic decision to send 1,000 anti-tank weapons and 500 Stinger anti-aircraft defense systems to Ukraine. Borrell said that €50 million worth of non-lethal supplies, fuel and protective equipment will also be provided as part of the support package. He added that, although political decisions cannot be made during an informal meeting, written procedure will follow. European leaders have been working over the weekend to finalize decisions on sanctions against Russia after the country launched a full-blown military invasion of Ukraine on Wednesday. On Saturday, the EU committed to blocking some Russian banks out of the Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication, SWIFT, the messaging network that connects financial institutions from around the world. Today we will discuss the Harmony price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030 based on the following concept. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. Harmony Course Forecast 2022. One has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Harmony, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of 21 cents. One is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of 18 cents, a minimum price of 17 cents, and a maximum price of 21 cents. One rate prediction 2023. An impeccable approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Harmony will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2023, one is expected to peak at 30 cents. The minimum bet could go up to $0. 25 if the market turns bullish. Harmony price prediction 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Harmony could cross 43 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 38 cents. Harmony price prediction 2025 and 2025. With wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, Harmony price will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach 63 cents in 2025. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of 56 cents with a maximum price of 63 cents for 2025.